Hello, get another package. Right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from HEADSTAMP Publishing. This is related to Forgotten Weapons. Their founder, Ian McCOLLUMM, and now as an author and affiliated with HEADSTAMP Publishing, has produced another book item. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way and get this open. This is actually the bottom of the box, so I'm going to flip it over and then take the contents out. Okay, it's taped across the top. Let's see here. Alright. So we have the manifest. Paper padding. More paper padding, and a whole bunch of stuff. Get both hands free here. Delicate items. Just pull this whole piece out because I don't have to touch these. A whole bunch of these. Finally, this. Oh my god. There's even more of this stuff at the bottom, so it's well packed. Yeah, let's get all the cardboard out of the way. So, okay, I'm not going to actually open all these wrapped items. I'm going to save that for later. But as you can see, the main attraction here is the purple signed edition of Pistols of the Warlords. So you can see a very large metallicized logo there. If you look really closely, you can see HEADSTAMP all the way around the edge of the cover. Multiple layers going on here. Besides the logo, we have the title, the translation here, dates involved, and images of the items themselves placed upside down, which is very interesting, along with Ian McCOLLUMM spelled very interestingly as well. So I believe that was done on purpose. You can see metal highlights in the corners. Very interesting. If we look at the binding, just right off, first edition, title, looks like a little lion figure. Again, the translation, McCOLLUMM at the bottom, and on the back, you can see the stylized writing. Gold leaf pages, I mean, and this will be signed on the inside. So the main book itself, let's see what else we have here. Let's go with the other book. This is Arming the Dragon booklet, but it is hardbound. Again, we have the dragon logo at the top. Mauser rifle production in China, 1895 to 1950. Some items, illustration there. Our author, Adolph L. Goldsmith, and similar edge markings around the cover, but this time I don't see HEADSTAMP around there. The binding, author, little logo at the top there. on the back, an illustration of a dragon and the corner highlights. This one is ordinary edge pages. So let's get that over here. Let's see how we can do these other items. Looks like we got a patch with a backing, so this can be sewn on to other items. Backer 2021, that's me. Okay, next up we have a couple of bookmarks. Let me see if I can get the manifest here for a better description. One is the gray edition and one is the purple Valser edition. Let's see if we can spot any differences here. So the purple, ooh, these are very nice. These are leather, or very close to a leather material. So we have different logos at the top. Valser, which would be the upside down M, as has been noticed in the logos stamped into the items. Some writing, other variations of the misstamped logos, a lion. Let's see what else we got going on here. Here we also have items in there, a dragon, and then the tassel cuts at the bottom. So, a couple of bookmarks. Patch, and last but not least, see if I can wiggle this out of here. I don't have a frame handy, so this is really tight in there. Let's see if I can get it out. Yep. Okay. We got a poster. Very gently open it. You can see the stylized writing top right corner. Trees. And we have an image of Ian. Looks like working on some items there with a copy of the book at a low desk in an outdoor scene. Classic. Ready for framing. And it looks like if you look in the back there, that is actually stamped through the paper. Very nice. Alright, so let's see if I can highlight this a little bit without damaging things too much. I don't know if I can get all this in the frame, but we'll try. So, again, we have unboxing here of Pistols of the Warlords, as well as add-on items such as Arming the Dragon, the bookmarks, a patch, and the poster. Let's see, get that in the view here. Ruining things. So, this has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series of book review media reviews. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Just a quick addendum. Forgot to mention that we also had even more add-on items. So here, back on this packing tray here, we have the Cocktails Classics. So it looks like we got 4 here: Alexander, Bijou, Monkey Gland, and Shanghai Cocktail with matching illustrations. On the back side are 4 more. We have Aviation, Old Pal, Maiden's Blush, and Rose Cocktail. Set that down. Here we have a map that folds out. So let's see here. Looks like a map of key Chinese arsenals. And then you can see the location of principal cliques and warlords at different time periods. You can see a different geographic spread out there. And again, this map. So, just a quick add-on to the video. Thanks for watching.